Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Block Blast strategy, how to get 10,000 score. First, open up the application and here we'll just go into the classic mode. So from the classic mode here, you want to keep refreshing until you get one vertical block like that. Now what we're going to do is space this block in the bottom right corner like so. The other blocks you can place wherever, just make sure you don't block the second row next to the one that we just placed. So I will just do it like this. Now, as you can see, it will be given another vertical block which you can place to the side like this. And again, we'll repeat the same process for the other blocks. It doesn't matter where we place them. And now you will keep on receiving these vertical blocks and you can just fill out the slots like so. I'll just paste it here and this here. And as you can see, it keeps on giving me these vertical blocks and I can fill out the rest of these slots just like that. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.